Hello everyone, my name is Brian and my partner is Lee. Today we are showing a fundamental website design application on Mac. It is very suitable for beginners. Let's start to learn. In this tutorial, I will be giving the overview of all the buttons in the actual Sparkle application. So there are basically different areas that you will be working with. The first one is called the toolbar. This is the bar up here, and as you can see, it has various different functions. For starters, this is where you can change the zoom of the document. The shortcuts are Command plus to zoom in and Command minus to zoom out. 100% will be the actual size of the website once it is upload, so you can select that here the second button is the device button. Here you can select where devices you want the website to be compatible for by just clicking this plus button on the side or right. There you can do landscape, portrait PC, white PC, many different options. And once you are ready to change your website into the mobile platform, you just click right here and it will change the wheel over here into the mobile platform, and then you can edit it from there. The next little section right here is the grid within this button. You can select how many column elements you would like, and this is basically there for the ability to have a very clean website by having certain boxes or images snap to the grid lines. 12 is the standard right here, but you can always change that to however many you like, and this guitar basically just change the white space in between the columns. I leave it around 20. The next section over here is basically where you can add all different types of elements. So for example, you press text and that will pop up their image, will pop up an image gallery. Box Y box is as a white box like this, and then and more you can select many different options. And in later videos, I will go much more in depth to this on the right side. Over here, you have the preview button which you can then select to preview your website in Safari, Firefox, or Chrome browser, and that will show exactly how your website is going to look once you upload it. Then exactly how your website is going to look once you upload it. Then you have your setting button, which will show your site setting, which include Google Analytics and a website icon, and then you have your page settings, which will change. Or what page you are on, you can change the name of it here. How it will look in the URL, distribution keywords, background, all of that type of stuff. And then on the left over here, you have your page outline section. This will outline your certain page, and at the bottom, you can select the plus button to add a page to your document doing top levels. We will get into that in other videos as well, so that is about it for all the buttons in the application. In the next video, I will be giving you an overview of how to set up your pages and the overall site on the Sparkle application. So you are mostly going to be working with this left panel over here, which shows your page layout. Your first page, which will be your home page, will always have the name index.html over here, and you can change this to say home as well, which will make easier later. When you are doing manuals, what you are first going to want to do is select a color schedule for your project. For this tutorial, I'm going to show to leave it for right here. I'm going to leave it for white or as white right now. Additionally, you can use a background pattern. So these are all preset, and you can either move with the page or be in a fixed position. And I will show you what that means in a sec. First, I'd like to show you all of the pre-upload backgrounds that comes with Sparkle. There are dozens and dozens of different ones you can choose from. Now I'm just going to choose the rocky wall. So for the fixed position aspect of this option, I'm going to show you what that means. So we are going to place some text right here. I'm just going to say example text. I'm going to increase the size to 14.8. and I'm going to center that so that is now centered in the page. And now I'm going to increase the size to 48, and I'm going to center that so it is now centered in the pages. And now it is not checked off, and I'm going to go to the preview over here, select Safari and open live preview. I will be giving you an overview of how to set up your pages and the overall state on the Sparkle application. So you are mostly going to be working with this left panel over here, which shows you your page layout. Your first page, which will be your home page, will always have the name index.html over here. You can change this to say home as well, which will make it easier later. When you are doing menus, which you are first going to want to do is select a color for your project. For this, I'm going to show you a few different options for backgrounds. The first and the most popular option is just the singular color background. You can select a main color, a natural color, or a wireframe color. Additionally, you can change it to whatever your color you like from this picker below, or if you have a hex value, you can enter the right here, and I'm going to leave it for white. Or as white right now. Additionally, you can use the background pattern. So these are all preset, and they can either move with the page or be in a fixed position, and I will show you what that means in a sec first. I like to show you all the pre-up-download backgrounds that comes with Sparkle. There are dozens and dozens of different ones you can choose from. For now, I'm just going to choose the Rocky Wall. So this last option is a picture background. So what we are going to do is click that white box button up. There I'm going to make this go all the way to the top, and then I'm going to increase the size of it to fit the entire screen. What I have also done is added a white box additionally at the bottom, and I use this to be a footer for the page, and so that will show that the page has ended. So what we are going to do with this box is go to the content section here. We are going to select image, and then this will allow to do a few different things with an image. So I'm going to add one here. Easily go to the recents and add this image right here. So we can write now say that this is very summed into fix that I'm going to click stretch, and that's going to stretch it out so it fits the full length of the page. Right now fit is not going to do your good because this will just fit the entire picture here and leave space on the top and bottom of the picture. So I'm going to do fill so it fills that entire box that we created. Additionally, what I'm going to want to do is blue out this picture because I want the majority focus of the viewer to be on the actual content of the website. After done this, I'm going to add one more white box, and this is going to go at the top of our website. This is going to be where our menu goes in the, and we will do that later as a video, as a logo. For right now, since I see this is a fake website and I don't have a real logo created, I'm just going to do some sample text. I'm going to name this website North Tree. Sorry, I'm going to name this website Kobe. So I will type that right there, and then I will select this, and I'm going to change the fonts, and I will do more videos. Blah 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 blah. And we will increase the size a little bit to around room. Let's say that's good. That's good. 15 is good, and now we are going to move that over up here. So once that step is done, the next step is very important since every page will have these three elements, the background, the picture, the top bar, and the logo right here. We are going to want to make sure that those are in the same positions on every page. So we just select the picture, the background picture, go to arrange, and then select show on all pages. We are going to do this for this bar and logo as well. Now that those are all selected, we are going to add a few pages to our website. So what I'm going to do is click this at the button on the left. I'm just going to go for a blank page because I want each page to be a customer page, and as you are going to be able to see right here, all of the same elements were carried onto the second page. I'm going to then click this button, which duplicated that page as well, kind of a similar thing. If you want to copy a page, all you do is press that button corner. Now we are going to do this is, since I have predetermined the layout of this website, I'm going to go in and name each page. This is an important step for the future of your website. It will making the menu much easier to do so. We are going to name this second page blog as you say it. Then changes the .html name right there, as well. This second one, this actually third page, can be called gallery, and that will change the HTML as well. And then this last page can be a contact us page. So make sure those are all typed correctly, as they will help us later with doing the manual, so that it's about it for setting up the fake site. There are a few options that you can do, including Google right here. You just enter your key, as well as you can put a website icon